just before I go, I'm just going to have a quick pan around again. Well, don't know if that's picked it up. I've just heard a wood knock.